Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Santa Claus for Merry Christmas. So let's start. As a first step, we can start by making the face. Let's make the top of the mustache, then the nose, and 2 circles for the eyes. Two thick eyebrows, a little bit of hair at the top, you want to make different circles inside of the eyes because we want to add some color. Let's go to the ear. Now let's move on to complete the beard. Then the mouth, let's complete the hat, you can make a circle shape but with some tips. Now one hand close to the shoulder because we want to draw the bag that is full of gifts. The bag is crossing the shoulder and we complete the arm. Now let's move to the body. We start by making the belt. Complete the clothes. The lines should keep the same symmetry because we want to add color afterwards. And at the bottom, we draw the shoes. Now let's complete the bag. The other arm, make it pointing upwards because in exchange of the gifts, Santa Claus has received a cookie. Now you can add some extra features, some gifts at the bottom. Make a queue first. In each face, you can make 2 small lines close to each other, then a lash at the top, and that's 1 gift. Let's make 2 more boxes. A smaller one, and the third one. And finally, we make our Christmas tree. You start at the top with the star, and then from the center of the star, you make lines that spread to each side and complete with tips. Complete the base of the tree. Now you can add some decoration to the tree, as many as you want. And complete all the areas in black. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!